Have you ever experimented that collider issue? Your enemy should be it, but he is not. Sometimes it works and sometimes not. Do you have any idea? Let me do a slow motion. It should help. I guess you got it now. The bullet travels so fast that it skips past the character between two frames. This issue exists because we expect the bullet's collider to have a contact point with the enemy's collider on the frame. But the faster the bullet goes, lowest are the chances for this to happen. One common way of fixing it is to attach a rigid body component and setting its collision detection to continuous dynamic. Fast solution with a high cost, because it does use Unity's physics system that is resources intensive. Let's say this can work if you want to handle only few bullets at a time. A better way is to use a Raycast. It's basically a line we will draw to cover the whole distance a bullet travels between two frames. The collision will not rely on collider's touchpoint anymore, but instead on this line crossing the collider. And the key school effect, you can handle thousands of bullets. This is what a simple bullet class using a box collider and a rigid body component could look like. It has a speed variable, how fast the bullet travels, a move delay variable, how long does it wait before next move, and a move-in variable that is a countdown for next move. During the update function, we reduce move-in countdown by delta time. If countdown is not over, we do nothing. Otherwise, we reset the countdown and move the bullet. OnTriggerEnter is a built-in Unity function that will be called if the rigid body detects a collision. Let's replace the rigid body by a Raycast. First of all, we want to disable our own collider because we don't want to detect ourselves. We then need to define a variable to store the eventual Raycast hit and the eventual enemy class detected. We now draw the line if a collision is detected. We do fetch our enemy component to apply the hit. Finally, we re-enable our collider and we're good to go. I hope you liked it. You can support me by dropping a like, a comment, or even subscribe for more tutorials. You will also find in description a list of tools I created, some as donationware, others as paid asset. Thanks for watching.